moist skin, brightened eye, go forth, multiply. With dew moist skin and brightened eye, the sweetest touch, chicks then cry. Go forth, multiply. With dew moist skin and brightened eye, the sweetest touch, chicks then cry. Fine filament fingers reach for blurred mirrored skies. Go forth, multiply. With dew moist skin and brightened eye, the sweetest touch, chicks then cry. Fine filament fingers reach for blurred mirrored skies. With perfect purpose to cheat death's black light. Go forth, multiply. Go forth, multiply. Go forth,